What are we up here doing today?
Sanding the car.
Oh, more sanding, huh? What's going on, guys? Met over here, Lethal Garage, and today we are up back at the 71. We're not sanding the outside of the car. That's basically done for what we're doing. The nose cone is hidden. Where is it? Oh, it's over here. It's done. It's not on the car currently. But the front, we need to touch up, sand that. That's the only part of the exterior. But today's focus is the interior. So we're gonna vacuum this up and we're gonna start sanding it down. And I have all of my boys up here with me. Well, 3 of them are missing. They're jumping on the trampoline over there. But at some point we'll have all of them in here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, let's get to it. Oh, hey boys, thanks for your help today. Kyle's washing up. But we sanded down the interior, scuffed it all up, top to bottom. Sorry, my camera stopped recording after 30 minutes and I didn't realize, but did a pretty good job getting it all scuffed up and ready. Got the trunk. Yeah, just close the trunk here. I'll show you the secret way of opening the Lethal trunk right now because there's no lock mechanic. Hold on, buddy. They're dirty.
They're blue.
Why are they blue?
Because I read this one under those climbing things.
Oh yeah?
Go on this one.
Have you been having fun?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So you can see the trunk, scuffed it all up, cleaned it up, vacuumed. And I think the one thing we didn't do that still needs to happen is just cleaning up the, so this stuff is the, oh, what's it called? The glaze. So that's glazing that had gone on that needs to be cleaned up, but we still need to sand and clean up the edges. The front nose needs to be done, and I mean, nope, screwdriver. But the rest of the car's in 320. It's a little dusty. It's been sitting out for, it's been 2 weeks since we've done any work on it. Unfortunately, just other stuff been going on. Craig had to build his motorhome edition over there, still working on it. So we haven't blown apart the car yet, which I thought we would be done with that. So you can see the firewall needs to be sanded and adjusted. We need to get the nose cone on the front in full 320, probably an hour's worth of sanding. This hood's not staying on the car, so it is what it is, but the interior is looking great. It's ready for an epoxy sealant coat, and then we'll be able to get the interior in, but body's looking really good. And the car is what it is right now. So I'm excited because the next step is going to be painting. Kyle. And we'll get to see what this car is really going to look like finally. So yeah. But that's all I have. It is very hot out today. I think it's 90 plus right now. I've been sweating like crazy, man. I think my boys have also been sweating like crazy as well. But we're done. We're done for the day. It was a cool day to hang out with the boys. Everyone pitched in and did some sanding and work, so I think all the boys can now officially say they've done something on the Lethal Classic, and it was fun hanging out, huh guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. And they got out of the house. That's probably the bigger win, right? You guys have been kind of cooped up. And we sent mom on a retreat weekend, so she's gone. Having a good time, chilling by a swimming pool, doing whatever she's doing, so. Lethal wife, she's a happy one this weekend.
Dad?
What's up, bud?
Can I have our dessert?
Maybe. I brought them special treats if they were good. But that's it. That's all we got. Thanks for checking out the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, post them down below. Hit subscribe to follow along for more Lethal Classic content. And until next time, I will see you on the road.